Welcome to Preah Vihear province, nestled in the northern reaches of Cambodia. Here, amongst the dense jungles and rolling hills, lies a land teeming with history, a land where ancient temples pierce the sky, whispering tales of empires long past. This is a province where the echoes of the Khmer Empire resonate through majestic ruins, where vibrant cultures thrive in bustling markets and tranquil villages, and where nature's embrace offers breathtaking vistas and serene escapes. Join us now as we venture into the heart of Preah Vihear to uncover the secrets and wonders of its top 10 most captivating destinations. Our journey begins high atop the Dangrek Mountains, where the magnificent Preah Vihear temple perches on a cliffside, 525 meters above the Cambodian plains. This UNESCO World Heritage Site, a testament to the architectural prowess of the Khmer Empire, has borne witness to centuries of history. Imagine, if you will, the processions of kings and priests ascending these very steps, their footsteps echoing through the grand chambers and courtyards. Feel the weight of history as you gaze upon the intricate carvings that adorn the temple walls, depicting mythical creatures and scenes from Hindu epics. We venture deeper into Preah Vihear to the ancient city of Kokher, once the beating heart of the Khmer Empire. Here, amidst a sprawling complex of temples and shrines lies Prasat Tom, a towering pyramid temple that dominates the landscape. Imagine the city in its prime, a bustling hub of power and spirituality, its streets alive with merchants, artisans, and worshippers. As you ascend the pyramid's steep steps, be sure to take in the panoramic views of the surrounding jungle, a sea of green stretching as far as the eye can see. For those seeking an exhilarating encounter with nature, Bee Treed Adventures offers an unforgettable experience. Soar through the jungle canopy on a thrilling zip-line course, the wind whipping through your hair as you glide between ancient trees. As you navigate the aerial bridges and platforms, keep your eyes peeled for the diverse wildlife that calls this forest home. From colorful birds to playful monkeys, the jungle is alive with activity. Bee Treed is more than just an adventure park. It's a testament to the power of ecotourism and conservation, working hand in hand to protect this precious ecosystem. Prepare to be captivated by the raw beauty of Phnom Tabang Natural Heritage Park, a sanctuary of towering limestone cliffs, verdant forests, and cascading waterfalls. Lace up your hiking boots and embark on one of the park's many scenic trails, each turn revealing a new vista more breathtaking than the last. As you ascend to higher elevations, be rewarded with panoramic views of the surrounding countryside, a tapestry of emerald rice paddies and traditional villages. We journey now to Preah Khan Kompong Svai, a sprawling temple complex that once served as a royal residence. Imagine the grandeur of this place, its walls adorned with intricate carvings and its courtyards bustling with activity. Though time has weathered its stones, the temple's former glory is still palpable. As you wander through the ruins, let your imagination transport you back to a time when kings ruled this land, and Preah Khan Kompong Svai stood as a symbol of their power. A haven for biodiversity, Kulan Promtep Wildlife Sanctuary offers a glimpse into Cambodia's rich natural heritage. Embark on a guided trek through the dense jungle, home to a staggering array of plant and animal life. Listen carefully, and you might hear the call of gibbons echoing through the trees or catch a glimpse of a rare bird flitting through the undergrowth. The sanctuary is a testament to the importance of conservation efforts in protecting Cambodia's endangered species. Immerse yourself in the vibrant energy of SRAM, the provincial capital where ancient traditions meet modern life. Explore the bustling local market, a riot of colors, scents, and sounds. Engage with the friendly locals, their warm smiles a testament to the welcoming spirit of Cambodia. Sample exotic fruits and local delicacies and perhaps pick up a unique souvenir to remember your journey. Our journey takes us to the border of Cambodia and Thailand, where the ancient temple of Tam Nguyen Tam stands as a symbol of shared history. This unique temple, straddling the international boundary, offers a glimpse into the intertwined past of these two nations. Explore the temple's intricate carvings, each telling a story of ancient battles, religious beliefs, and cultural exchange. Escape the beaten path and experience the tranquility of rural life in Chom Kazant. Here, time seems to move at a slower pace, and the gentle rhythms of nature dictate the flow of daily life. Engage with the local community, learn about their traditional farming practices, and witness the warmth of Cambodian hospitality firsthand. Our final destination takes us to Rovieng, a picturesque district known for its rolling hills, fertile valleys, and charming villages. Explore the region's stunning natural beauty, from cascading waterfalls to hidden caves. Rovieng is also a shining example of community-based tourism, where local initiatives are working to preserve the region's natural and cultural heritage. As our journey through Preah Vihear province draws to a close, we hope you've been inspired by the rich history, vibrant culture, and breathtaking natural beauty of this often overlooked corner of Cambodia. From the awe-inspiring heights of Preah Vihear Temple to the tranquil villages of Rovieng, this province offers a tapestry of experiences that will linger in your memory long after you've returned home. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow adventurers, and subscribe to our channel for more incredible journeys through Southeast Asia and beyond.